So hello everyone, welcome to Logic Quest. Let us see this geometry question. Euclid has a triangle in mind. The longest side is 20 and another of its side has length 10 centimeter. Its area is 80. We have to find out exact length of third side. So first of all, let us discuss what exactly is the key concept which we will be using here. We will be using two key concepts here. Let me first explain that. First key concept will be area of a triangle. Area of triangle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So what is base and what is height? Let me explain that. Suppose we have a triangle like this and we have been given base as B here, and we drop a perpendicular from the vertices to a nearby side on the base, and the length is h, then half into B into h will be area of the triangle. Now similarly, if we have a Pythagoras, we can find out Pythagoras triangle theorem here. So suppose we have a right angle triangle, one of the side is A, other side is B, and we have a hypotenuse as C, then C ka square will be equal to A square plus B ka square. So hypotenuse ka square is equal to length of square, sum of the squares of other two sides. This is two theorem which we will be using, and let us now see the question how to solve this one. So in this we have been given longest side as 20 centimeter and another of its side has length 10 centimeter. So suppose I make the triangle like this, and my longest side is my base here, this is of 20 centimeter, and I have a side like this 10 centimeter. Suppose this is the case here, this is A, this is B, this is C, and I have dropped a perpendicular from A to BC, which is at D point. So I know ki area is nothing but half into AD into base. Base is 20 centimeter here in this case is equal to 80. The area is given as 80. So AD will come out to be 24 and 2 4s are 8. So AD will come out to be 8 centimeter. The moment AD is 8, we can find out DC from our Pythagoras triplet. So now the case will be I have AD which is 8 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and I need to find out DC. So I know कि 10 का square is nothing but 8 का square plus DC का square from Pythagoras theorem, and then DC का square will come by solving this, which is 100 minus 64, which comes out to be 36, and DC becomes 6 centimeter. The moment DC becomes 6 centimeter, this length becomes 6 centimeter. I have BD as 14 centimeter. The moment we get BD at 14 and AD I already know, I can find out AB. So AD I know, BD is 14 I have got, AD is 8 centimeter, and I need to find out what? AD, AB, and I need to find out AB. So from Pythagoras theorem, I can say AB ka square will be AD ka square plus BD ka square, which comes out to be 8 square plus 14 ka square, and 14 ka square is nothing but 196, and 8 square is nothing but 64. Summing this up, we get 260, and my AB will be root over 260, and this will be my answer. So I hope you got this concept. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.